Hello Cancer, welcome back to the channel. This is the Lady of the Throne, where God dwells within me as me. Today I am going to be bringing to you your love guidance, and this is from September 16th to the 30th. You guys, if you like or resonate with this, be sure to hit that thumbs up button before you go. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel before you go as well. So we're going to be talking about love, Cancer, how you both feel about each other, how you both see each other, you and this person of interest. All right. If you guys are interested in getting a personal today, I do recommend checking out the link down below in the description box. That is where you will find the link to my shop. There are an array of different services that I provide. So if this resonates with you, or you resonate with the reader, okay, definitely want to check it out. Maybe there's a reason to be to come, right? Maybe it's something that you should know. So I do recommend doing that. Okay, now let's go ahead and jump right in, because this is my second time trying to get this out to you guys, and for some reason the first time it didn't work, but we're back and we're gonna try this again. So you feel your love interest, okay? This is a time where you may feel more focused on yourself more than your person, or maybe you are kind of focused on your person, but your attention's more on you, okay? So what I'm getting here is a lot of socializing, a lot of networking, a lot of business talks, a lot of you promoting yourself, okay? Especially if you are a brand or a media influencer, you're definitely trying to market and promote yourself right now. I'm also getting that it's time for some type of shape up. So I heard that very clearly as I was channeling your energy, and I feel like the time is now for that. You could be shaping up your body, a resume, your nails, hair, a car, whatever. This is a time for self-care, self-improvement, perfecting yourself, loving the skin that you are in, being called to a pretty girl season, your softy season. This is fall time, sweater weather, cozy vibes. You know, this is the type of things that I feel like a lot of you will love. I feel like this is the next 2 weeks is an energy that you absolutely love. You absolutely find peace and solace in this type of energy, and it's all you. It's a you thing. It's so you, right? It's so you. You love feeling like this. You have a good time in this energy, and I feel like this is really good. This is really good. If you're improving yourself, that's amazing, right? That's beautiful. If you feel pretty, shouldn't you? Every woman should feel like that. So this is your season to feel like that, okay? Selfie time. Now, let's move on to your person, how they feel about you. This is someone who finds you to be very humorous, very entertaining. They laugh at you a lot. This person laughs with you. This person laughs about you. Maybe it's a thought about you that runs past your person's mind, and when they think about certain things, they just laugh, because you are like a real life reality TV show on your own. You are someone who your person loves to see you happy. I don't think your person loves to see anyone else as happy as they love to see you happy. For some reason, you mean that much to them. You have that much like weight within this connection, where they just want you to be happy. When you're really happy, oh my gosh, they absolutely love this. Their emotions are going to be up and down everywhere, all around about you in the next 2 weeks. It's like 1 minute they think about how funny you are and they're having a good time with you, and then the next minute they feel these really deep emotions out of nowhere toward you. So I feel like your person is going to go through like 25, 30 different phases of the connection in the next 2 weeks. Literally, your person is going through, they're acting like you, like more like a Cancer. During the next 2 weeks, they're going through mood swings. And what I'm feeling is that like this person's going to have so many epiphanies, like a plethora of epiphanies about how much they actually love you. And bouts of happiness is coming from this newly realized love that they have for you and this connection all together. So this feeling for this person is pretty surreal for them, because it's like a dream come true. Saying that you want to love someone and actually really loving them now. or praying for something in the past and God has given it to you, or hoping and wishing to find the dream girl, the dream guy, and boom, there you are. Boom shakalaka. That's what I want to say. For some reason, boom shakalaka. So remember that's going to be very, very important. Just remember, boom shakalaka boom. Okay, I don't know why. I have no idea. I mean, I might know, but I'm just saying, this is like a really interesting energy that's coming from your person. Everything just hits them and they realize, wow, I really love you. Amazing. So how do you see this person? All right. So it looks like you may see this person as someone who has, like, they've stepped into their soul's purpose, like they're on their path, right? They're on their spiritual path. It's like magic. It's like a person who has realized what their spiritual gifts are and who has realized how psychic they are and that they have superpowers, and like you see them acting on their purpose, right? You see them walking on the path that they're supposed to be on. This person's life is becoming more balanced. Okay, you may feel like this is someone who maybe they're able to equally give and receive love. Maybe the opportunities are there for them now, there for you and them. Maybe this, or it could be the other way around. Maybe you see them as someone who gives more than they're receiving, or who receives more than they give. It depends on the dynamic happening between you and this person. Maybe you want more from them, or maybe you feel like they have been giving you more and you need to give more, right? So it's just like an imbalance, but for some reason during the next 2 weeks you see them being pretty balanced, because they're not giving more than they should, or they're not taking more than they should. Maybe you see them giving back. Whatever it is, you see a balance now within this connection. You see an equal give and take now. Okay, so the number 7 could be relevant. The number 29, earlier I mentioned 25 and 30. So those numbers could be relevant, or 2, 9, 11, 7, and 3. All right. But either way, the way they see you, okay, they see you as a high priestess energy. And what that means is that you have so much vast spiritual information and wisdom. You are very powerful in their eyes. You have already realized your gifts, or maybe your gifts are already developed. And they see you this way. Like maybe you were born this way, right? You could be a natural healer, a natural nurse, a natural doctor, a natural lover. Maybe it's just all in you. It's not on you, it's in you, right? This is something that you were born with. You have an incredible perspective on life. Okay, and so being that you're like this person sees you in a different way. They see you as a highly evolved woman or man who is being honored by a lot of people right now, and you're being revered for your compassion, your understanding, and selfless service to people. You could definitely be a healer. You could definitely be, I'm hearing that strongly right now. But this person recognizes you for all the beautiful qualities inside of you, right? This person feels like you embody the divine feminine wisdom, and you are able to channel this guidance from God in order to develop your spiritual skills or your psychic gifts. This person doesn't believe that you're in 3D dimension. You don't think like everybody else. You don't move like everyone else. This person feels like you've surpassed the fifth dimension. They feel like it's way more than just a spiritual thing with you or about you. They think it's more than just a spiritual connection with you. This person feels like not only do they have a spiritual connection with you, Cancer, not only are you very attractive if they're looking at it from a 3D perspective, like not only are you attractive to them, not only do they like you, not only are they realizing all these millions of epiphanies that they love you so much, not only is this happening, but they also know that you are close to the divine. You are like literally an ascended master. Wow. An ascended master. Yeah. You're an ascended master. That's how for somebody out there, it's not going to resonate with everyone, but for someone out there, you are an ascended master to this person in their eyes, just in general, not even just exclusively to them, but like to the world. This person knows of your ability and they want you to continue to use your intuition. They love the fact that you have psychic gifts. They feel like any questions you may have, all of the answers are inside of you. You are the alchemy that you seek, just like Pisces. You may have strong Pisces in your birth chart. Okay, Pisces could be somewhere in your chart. Or this could be a Pisces person you're dealing with. But whatever it is, it's like you are the magic that you seek externally from you. You don't have to seek anything outside of your existence to be powerful or to be magical or to be spiritual or whatever. You don't have to try. It's in you. It's not on you. You don't have to develop your gifts. You don't have to ask anyone's opinions about anything. This person feels like your psychic gifts and intuition are so developed that the way you live your life, your life is your purpose. Your purpose is your life. Some people have to find their purpose, but you don't have to find it. Your purpose is your life is your purpose. So it's interesting how you both see each other the same way, in a highly mystical and mysterious spiritual energy. God bless.